English speakers, good afternoon. Let's look at the differences between these two words. For starters, they're spelt differently and they're also pronounced differently. They're pronounced exactly how they're spelt. The first one is affect, and this is a verb. The second one is effect. You want to pay attention to the shape of my mouth when I pronounce the starting sound of these two words. Now, when a person is speaking quickly, it can be harder to distinguish these two words. So you want to pay attention not to the sound, but how they're being used in the sentence. So, for example, anything that affects me has an effect on me. Anything that doesn't affect me has no effect on me. Notice that that's pretty hard, but if you pay attention to how they're being used in the sentence, you'll know which one it is every single time.